talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Flip app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here until you found apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for Flip app, but just click on search. Add here Flip, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store. You click here on Play Store here. Then here you search for Flip app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.